Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to Animal Crossing Pocket Camp again. This is like the main series of my channel. Alrighty bro. Also, I have my lights turned off. I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm literally scared. I literally thought like, I'm a kid, alright? So that means I'm scared of the dark. And I'm also on a diet. I'm too young for a diet. But that's what the internet told me. Alright. I remember my camper. I was doing my yay, it's complete. Now I can make my shoes. I think I'm gonna make more stuff. Yes, we got more stuff. Where's my clothes? Where my bunny hoodie? Ew, I'm bald. Alright, wait. We got more shoes. We need some shoes. Is that gonna fit? Preview. I look so ridiculous. I should not get the bunny hood. Alright. Yeah, we have Goldie here. We got that. Ew, these are just basic. I'm also recording this in my bedroom right now. Ew, straight flat out. Ew. I'm saying ew. Alright. Ooh, but isn't this one cute? No, that one fits so much. This one though, oh my god. Heck, let me just craft this. 1 hour. Alright. I think it's been 1 hour. I don't know. Order. It's already completed? It's cool. Yes. I'll just hide this. Alright. So we're just gonna open this up and then we're just gonna oh no. We will never find out. Oh yeah, it's nighttime. You know what? What's the music in the other thing? Wait, someone friends with me? Yay! Thank you. But he has nothing. I have a lot of friends. Not a lot of friends. Can I invite someone to my campsite now? What's the effect? I want to invite Gilbert. Okay, I need to get a swing bench and invite them to my campsite. Do I really have to invite them to my campsite? Oh, Gilbert seems the most easiest. A swing bench craft. Hey, it's fine. You can go use this now. Hey, it's gonna take 57 seconds. Alright, Goldie, what do you want? What do you want? Oh, a bird cage? What do we need a bird cage? No, I want to decorate it for... Look at this! Look at this! This want to be my campsite. I want to be this campsite. So that means I need to organize everything. No, this looks bland. This looks bleh. Oh, I'm trying to spin the table. There. There. We're putting the library all the way right here. Yes, this is beautiful. Beautiful stuff here. I'm also making this very short. Alright. Goalie. Okay, we're just gonna look at her. We're just gonna look at her, right? Hello. Okay. That's it. Oh, that's literally it. What's the sing part? Is it la la la? Do I get to sing with her or something? Please, I want to get to level 4. Get those. I don't want to change your outfit. No, what if I give you something else? You want bugs? Here, here's a tiger butterfly. Tiger butterfly. Can I level up now? Level up. I just want your friendship. Alright. A story. Give me a story? What was the story, bro? Okay, I was just skipping it, so that's why I didn't know the story. It's completed. Yes, sir. We got more things. Yes. Let's invite you to your campsite. Yeah. This is gonna be, It's gonna be like somewhere like this. Yes, Filbert. Welcome to my new Italian campsite. Wait a minute, I didn't put that there. Okay, I already know this game. I shouldn't be like, I didn't put that there. This always happens for no reason. Just dumb, just doing whatever. Where did that go? Thanks for inviting. Top of the line. Yes, now Filbert, come visit my campsite anytime. Just go live there. Did I finish the beginner's quest or something? I wanna be her like Pocket, alright. Wow. No, I do not want to rate it. No. Where the heck did I just go? Or did you just go bag me until I write a review? Okay. Yes, thank you. Alright. Come on. Oh, so much stuff right now. I should have linked it, the Anna account. Yeah, I should have linked the Anna account. Let's go to the market because my shoes are bland. They suck. Alright. Ooh, I like this music. Might sound weird, but once you play this game, you imagine if I just bleed your ears. No shoes yet, bro. Cause it's nighttime. I remember just trying to stay up at 2 a.m. Oh my god, is cheese wrist? Cheese wrist. Here, I'm gonna eat it next to you. Are you Timmy or Tommy? You're fine. Well, hopefully that's me. I always go to school because I go to school. I want shoes. Clothing fortune cookie. Just give me shoes. That's it. I don't want any more clothing pieces. Just give me shoes. And socks. Probably. Feel fiercely ride the world's scariest roller coasters. I mean, that's always me. I already have no expression because, of course, spend a lot of 10 hours in my iPad. Oh my god, what a... You know what, this sound is gonna make me cry because this gave me memories in 2023, also 2022. Alright, Yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm getting emotional over this song, over a freaking song. Let me just go right here. Oh god, I should not go there. That give me even more memories. I wanna be like you, Pocket. Okay, never mind. I'm literally gonna tear up by all this. Hello, long neck. What was that? Giovanni. I can't gamble anymore. Please don't rewrite me and the Mo Crossy and Nintendo because they did this game. I don't know what to say. I don't have anything. No, you got nothing. I have nothing. Why am I falling for the AR part? Alright. Wow. 1 minute. That's gonna take a decade. I already won my new pair of shoes. I'm gonna only have 4 league tickets. Where's the boots? Finally, got something else to be trippy. I want to take this off. Ooh. Let's sell this too. Yes, sir. I get fertilizer, honey. Wait, let's see the honey thing. The honey animation. Nobody's here. Oh, nobody's right there. Alright. I look like someone who works somewhere. Oh god, I'm literally gonna cry about those sun traps. Never mind, I have to cry even more. Great, I had to cry more. Never mind, that was... I thought we had to fish. Who's here right now? If someone's here... Oh my god, it's my friend Mari. Oh, Maryland. Maryland. Okay, sorry if I make fun of your name. Your name is actually kind of cool though. So let's see. I also begged I'm also sending messages in Google Classroom to subscribe to my crazy channel. I asked my friend to subscribe to this channel, and then she didn't find it, and that was upsetting because I wanted her to subscribe and I wanted a lot of subscribers, just like my few commenters. Alright, I should walk fast. But fruit beetle. It's not fruit. It looks disgusting. Looks absolutely disgusting. Use a leap ticket to what? I'm gonna have 14. Yeah. 10 plus 1 equals a billion. That's why I'm very good at math. I never went to Lost Creek. Close has no such thing. Oh my, the outfit opportunities are endless. There's a fish, you know. You're not my narrator. Not my narrator. I don't know who's the narrator, but I'm just gonna call the narrator Nintendo probably. You're not my narrator, Nintendo. Probably gonna get copyrighted because it said Nintendo in here. How many Nintendos? Who are you? Jacqueline? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, but this looks pretty sick. 1. Large fine. Let me know. I need to use something for the thumbnail though. Wow, this looks actually cool. So we got to get the game because right now it's 8. It's 8 right now. It's 8 right now. Poor me. Sacrificing my time just to make this video for you guys. Alright. I barely have anything to say about this video. Except for this. Like Oliver's Island. I'm just... God. Alright. Here it is. Yeah, it's leveled up. Yeah, come on, items. Yeah, I could craft more items. I want to craft more items. We'll craft more items. Yes, come more furniture. I only care about my trip, that's it. I literally just care about my trip. I need these glasses. They're my glasses. Okay, never mind. I look like a nerd. Alright. No, I don't want to go in the storage. What's this? Basement floor, I want that. Actually, no, this actually reminds me of something familiar. Oh god, the past memories of, I think Animal Crossing, the original Animal Crossing? Wild Road? City Folk? New Leaf? Horizon? No, this is 2017 right now. How am I gonna look like this? How am I gonna look like this? How am I gonna look like this? Never mind, I look trash. This is very trash. Why is everything so trash in here? Why is everything so trash? I want to be like this girl. Okay, this is super long. I had to quickly make something. Let's see. Okay, position, puffy hat. Is that gonna work? Okay. Well, let me just try everything. Try everything. Okay, no. Probably. If I had longer hair. No. Definitely no. No. Where's the other accessories? This. Okay. Well, it's actually, I need to craft this. 0 seconds. Close. Let's see the crafting. 1 hour. Alright. I have no time for that. 15 tickets, I just need 1 more. Never mind. Okay. Very short. Here, keep this. Take all my money. Here you go. Need to do this. Floppy hat. Why did they call that floppy hat? Okay, wear. And that's it for today. Goodbye.